This video shows how to use the collision level command in the control menu. First, we go to the program and click coding. Locate the collision level icon in the control commands. Then click it to open the collision command editor. Taking the FR5 robot as an example, the collision levels are divided into 10 levels. First, set the collision level for the 6-axis system to collision level 1. Then click Add and Apply. Next, add a point-to-point movement command and apply it. Then click Save Program. Switch to automatic mode and click Run. Gently nudge the robot while it is moving to trigger an alert. Click to clear the alert. Click the Edit button for the collision level command. Set the collision level to a higher level and click Apply. Then switch to automatic mode and click Run. Gently pushing the robot while it is in motion will not trigger a collision fault alarm. The basics of programming control commands and collision levels. Thank you for watching.